Welcome back to base camp, Western North Carolina. We're back to work on the forced air heater. We're getting ready to set this thing up, run it, and put it in the greenhouse. Here it is, beginning of first week of November and getting kind of cool. You can see on the ground all the leaves are there. And what we've decided to do, this is the bottom of the stove. We've marked out a 3-inch diameter hole using the elbow. We're going to cut that out and fit this elbow in the bottom end of it. And then we're going to put one in the very top up by the stack I'll show you. This will be the air inlet coming into from the house. And the top will be the air going back out, going to the house, the hot air. So we'll get this thing cut out and I'll show you how we're going to notch the elbow to fit in there. Okay, we've got the bottom one done. And this is basically how the bottom will look. This is with the elbow going off to the right. And I'll walk you through on this one right here. The big hole right there in the back is where the flue pipe will come up. And we just put the elbow right here on it. Traced around us, gave us that circle. We're now going to cut that circle out. We'll notch the bottom of this elbow. And I'll show you how we attach it. Okay, we're back, and here's what we've done. We've cut out that hole where we've traced around it. We took the elbow and made some 1¼ slits up, bent every other one up and down, and what that'll do, we'll take the fireplace cement right there, the furnace cement. We'll butter up both sides of this drum. There'll be no fire in this drum, but what we're trying to do is get it as sealed up airtight as we can. This will go down there. We'll bend the other ones on the other side up, glue all this down, and screw it down, and I'll bring you back and show you what that looks like when we get all this done. There it is. We've bent the tabs over, screwed them in, and coated it with furnace cement. That is what the outside looks like. This is what it'll look like on the inside. That's the bottom one. Top one's the same. We screwed all them, every other metal tab down, so it'll be tight. And we're going to now put the two drums together, rig the fan up in the chimney, and we're going to show you this thing burning. Before I put that back chimney pipe on, just for this little test run, we stacked some bricks in there to give us a little bit of a thermal break. Probably need to go up one more on either side when we get this thing down the greenhouse. This right here, I can move back without making you too sick. There's the pipe. That is the bell end with the fan on it. I'll show you that in a minute when it's running. And it blows air in down here. That'll be coming from the house. It'll go around these two double drums. It'll come out the top and go back into the house. And we're going to put this chimney pipe on here and fire this thing up and get you some temperature readings, and we'll see what it looks like. Well, here we are. We've got some smoke coming out the chimney. We just now got it lit. See if I can get you sick with moving this camera. We're just getting the fire going. It is 50 degrees out here today. Nice day to work. And we'll hold the Napa oil filter right here on this thing, and let's see what kind of temperature we come up with. Well, here we are. We got the fire burning. This is that little 105 cubic feet per minute fan. We're out here today. It is right at 50 degrees. That is the intake pipe. This is the one that will be going back. And if it'll focus, we're right now blowing 300-degree air that is coming off from between them two barrels. We've just got the stove right now loaded up with scrap wood. There's nothing fancy in it. There's no damper. It's burning pretty clean. I mean, you can barely see smoke. You see a lot of heat coming out. So the next picture we'll have is putting this thing in the greenhouse and hooking these two pieces of ductwork up between the house and the greenhouse. And this is basically it. We have the intake going in. The top pipe is the one coming out. Just burning some scrap wood. We got to put a damper in the pipe when we get ready to put it through the greenhouse. But this is all it amounts to. Double barrel stove kit. That is the 30-gallon drum inside the 55. And with 50-degree air coming in and 300-degree air coming out, I believe it'll work. If you like this project, we got one more part to it. Putting it in the greenhouse. We'll have a picture of it working. Hopefully we'll get to that tomorrow. Like the channel, subscribe, tell me what you think, tell your friends, and maybe by the first of the year we can hit 20 subscribers, and then we'll celebrate. Thank you for watching. Bye.